Welcome back to Enlightened Learners. Do you think it's really important to speak in English? I don't think, because if we cannot speak in English, definitely we can speak in any language. However, at times we feel that speaking in English is really important because in our career growth, it becomes a barrier. If you think so, well, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can speak English fluently. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you get notification for all the updates that I post in my channel. So how you can speak English fluently? Here are some of the tips. The first thing that I recommend would be try to stock more and more vocabulary within you, and how you can do it is by reading newspaper, reading articles, reading stories, and also you can watch news channels in English or watch movies, and movies with subtitles and without subtitles. This will help you both in having vocabulary as well as listening skills. The other thing that you can do is you can find out words around you. What I am trying to tell you is, suppose if you are in a living room, then what you can do is you can find out the table, or you can see a chair, so you can note down the words that you see around. There are common nouns which you can often relate to. Other than this, you can choose any topic and speak on the topic. First, what you can do is you can write few lines of the topic. Let's say today you want to go for an evening walk or a morning walk, then you can write some lines about the importance and what all you do when you go on a walk, what all things you observe. If you note them and try to practice them, or you try to speak them, this is definitely going to help you improve your English. Third and most important is you need to observe and practice. So how are you going to observe? You need to find out somebody who is speaking English and look at them, listen to them, and try to record the sentences either in your brain, or maybe the best thing I can recommend is you have to write them down in your notebook and use them in your daily conversation. You can also watch movies where you are going to find some sentences the actor or the character is going to use in English, and that sentence can definitely be used in your normal daily conversation. In this way, you are going to improve your speaking skills. And if you are looking for an English speaking partner, however you are unable to find, you can send me a message in Instagram. I will respond to you and I will schedule a call and we can have one-to-one session. You can also send me an email. The details are there in the description below. Last but not the least, you cannot give up. Generally, it is observed that people are approaching me for learning English with full enthusiasm, with full spirit. However, later on, when they start working on it, slowly and gradually, they lose the interest. So what it gives me a sense is it disheartens or it demoralizes you, or you probably give up and assume that you cannot do it. Remember, there is no shortcut to success, and learning something cannot happen over the night. You need time and patience. Keep practicing to improve. The more you practice, the better you are. Thank you for being with the video till the end. Stay tuned for more videos of this kind.